Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see one of the most popular programming language, that is JavaScript. Whether you are a complete beginner or just need a refresher, this series is for you. So let's get started. First things first, what is JavaScript? JavaScript is a programming language that is primarily used to make web pages interactive. It is one of the core technologies of the web alongside HTML and CSS. While HTML structures your web content and CSS styles it, JavaScript brings it to life by adding dynamic behavior. Let's look towards an example. Suppose this is your website of Amazon. Now, here on this website, the HTML structures your whole web content. The content, what you look, the tab Amazon.in here, or this whole structure, or this line bestsellers in clothing, and all this structure is defined by HTML, and the style, the font size, the font color, the design, the color on the website, all these styles are maintained by CSS. But if you want your website to do some functionality or to work as you want, like if you click on this arrow, yes, you are shifting to the next tab. If you want your website to work as you want, then JavaScript comes into picture. So, as I said, JavaScript brings it to life by adding dynamic behavior. Now, let's see some JavaScript in action. We are going to start by opening the console in a web browser. If you are using Chrome, you can open it by right-clicking on the page and selecting Inspect. Or there is another way, you can just type Control Shift J and console is in front of you. Now, the console is a powerful tool for testing and debugging your JavaScript code right in the browser. You can say that it is like a playground where you can write and see the code, see the results of your code immediately. Let's start with some basic operations. In the console, you can perform simple calculations just like a calculator. For example, let's type 2 plus 2 and press enter. See, the console evaluates the expression and gives us the result, which is 4. We can do some other operations like subtraction 10 minus 2 or multiplication or division. But JavaScript isn't just about simple math. Let's try more interesting. We can use JavaScript to create and manipulate strings. For example, if we type hello plus world and press enter, we'll see the result hello world. Awesome, right? We can also store values in variables. Let's create a variable named greeting and assign it to the value hello world. Okay, we'll type let greeting equals to hello world and press enter. Now, if we type greeting and press enter, the console will show us the value stored in that variable. Now, we can also change the value of greeting by assigning it a new value. Let's change it to hi there. Greeting equals to hi there and press enter. Now, again, when we type greeting, we will see the new value. One more thing about the console is it is simply read, evaluate, print, loop. We have carried some operations like multiplication, division and all that. So what the console does, it reads your values, then it evaluates your values. That is, it evaluates the addition, subtraction or any other operations. Then it prints it and again it comes into its original position. And that's a quick introduction to JavaScript and browser console. We covered what JavaScript is, how to open the console, and did some basic operations. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into variables, data types, and more. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.